Today we went to a farm that had so many cute animals. There are so many animals like donkeys and pigs and sheep, chickens, turkeys, and even geese. I really hope you enjoy this video. First we saw is chickens. There was even a rooster.
I know, I wish I had something nice for you.
And there was a place full of hay, and there were sheep too. Then I saw ducklings. Then we saw some more chickens, and these ones were pretty vicious.
What are you chatting about?
Put your finger in.
You want to peck? You pecked my finger. You sharp beak.
They are little demons.
I wish I had some food for you. I know, but I don't. I don't have any food. I don't have any treats. Is that a bit rubbish? I haven't got any treats. You're little friendly friends. I know you
Peck
really want
finger.
to peck. What is it, little friends? Yes.
Oh my god. The chickens made Mummy bleed.
I know we'll get picked by one of these chickens.
Session, which would be amazing, wouldn't it?
Oh, yep, he was hissing. They're talking to a goose.
The goose is hissing at you.
Why is the goose so hissy?
Get it off your teeth. No, you're not getting
Is
it.
it just at the top? I don't think it's at
It's a tiny one. Oh, you're hissing at us. Get it off her beak.
No, she doesn't want you to take it off. She's scared of you. No hissy. No hissy. Why you not like us? You little goose.
Look at that duck's hair. It's got a hairstyle. It's got a hairstyle.
That's nice.
Oh, hello. Ducks. Hey, no hissy. No hiss. No hiss.
You
Yeah.
like to eat grass, but you're getting it all over your face, aren't you? Getting it all over your face.
Hairstyle.
Funny hairstyle. Noisy.
Brilliant. I was hoping you did. Look at this one. Oh my god. Look at this. They're all of them. They look incredible.
There was an adorable white chicken.
Because why you
They might.
Yes.
It was brilliant, but one actually looks like Nettie.
This one looks like Nettie. Hi, Nettie. Can I call you Nettie Junior? You look so cute.
Then we saw turkeys.
Turkey. He's so cute, Mummy. He's so cute.
Those feathers, what a stunning boy.
I'm gonna show you now. I want a turkey right now. Oh, your one's gonna gobble. You're a naughty chicken.
Very young little babies.
Oh, they're so young. Oh, he's like, don't touch my hens. I don't even know if you're a boy.
Have actual blood on my finger. Any treats?
Let me see. Oh my god. From that other pet, probably.
I love the way that's sitting there. It's so funny. Little faces. Yeah.
Then I'm going to make a short all
They're
about
massive.
a donkey because a donkey was very noisy.
They're
actually
ginormous. Yes, I'm busy. Huh? Who's
See,
that?
this one didn't make any loud noises. And then I was holding animals, just like this cute little chicken. And I saw loads of people holding some cute animals.
It's my nose.
And then I could trick a tortoise. I was glad that I didn't need to hold a tortoise. Then I got to trick a rabbit.
How do you hold
So
it?
cuddly. Then I had one on my lap.
Let's